Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Rachel Squared. Unfortunately, today it is only me. Rachel cannot make this video, so you gotta deal with me. So it's the day after Halloween. For you, it'll be 3 days after Halloween when you get this video. And so you got some extra pumpkins laying around, right? Well, they're not all useless. Like, you can take the insides. In last video, we gathered all the seeds out of our pumpkins. So today we're going to bake them. I'm going to show you my recipe for my baked pumpkin seeds. Alright, what we're going to do is, first off, you have to let them dry out. Get like as much of the pumpkin guts off of it, but a little bit is okay because it adds a little flavor. But yeah, have them dry out. I had mine sit out for 2 days. Yeah, it was 2 days I had them sit out for. I'm just breaking them up right now because they're like stuck together. And so it'll help them dry out. So it'll be easier and probably faster to cook. Most likely faster to cook, depending on what kind of oven you have. Alright, I got my spoon. Just have them scattered out a bit. Here, I'll show you guys. Yeah. Alright, so I have them spread out on a parchment paper. Yeah, it's got to go on a parchment paper or else it will stick. Everybody, that's like for everything, right? So I'm going to preheat my oven. Make sure everything's out of it. I'm preheating it to 350 or 175 for some of you. Next off, we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. It helps them cook and not burn. So we're just gonna, I don't have a brush to put them over, so we're just gonna drizzle. We're just gonna drizzle it. Drizzle it over. Not a lot, but make sure don't splatter it everywhere. That should be good. Just then take your spoon or spatula or whatever you have, fork, doesn't matter. Just mix it up. Try and get as much olive oil. You can use any oil you desire, sunflower oil, canola oil, coconut oil. I heard that works too, but I use olive oil, extra virgin, just because it makes them, I don't know, it does something to them that I like. Just, yeah, spread them out. Try and even them out. Get as much. I am not good with parchment paper, so I'm going to cut that off a bit. Is the scissors over here? So I'm just going to trim the parchment paper right now because it's way too big. So you have the oil over your seeds. You're gonna take your spices, and what I have is garlic pepper because I don't have garlic powder. I got Himalayan rock salt. Any salt will do. Actually, for the garlic pepper, you could use garlic powder and pepper, but I have garlic pepper. So I also put a little bit of French fry seasoning on it. So with outer spices. Just a little bit, just enough to give them some taste. That's a little bit there. Okay, a little bit of salt. And then the garlic pepper. Yeah. I use it a lot, so it's like barely anything in there. Come on. Alright, that should be good. We're gonna wait for the oven to heat up. Then we'll pop these in. Everybody's oven is different, and mine cooks things fairly fast. So let's wait now. Alright, so my oven's ready. We're gonna put the pumpkin seeds in, and then we'll wait. Okay, I'll say 10 to 15 minutes. Checking them every 5 minutes. Because, again, you don't want them to burn. So let's pop these in. Put them on the bottom rack. I put my stuff on the bottom rack. In they go. And then I'll set a timer for 10 minutes. And I will see you guys back here in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's starting to beep. The timer's going off. So we're gonna check them. This is the 10-minute mark right now. Yes, yes. I hear you. So let's check them. I need my other glove. Just pull them out. Grab your spoon. Just push them around. Mine look to be getting quite toasty. I think maybe another 3 minutes and I should be good. So that'll be 13 minutes for me. They are, yeah, they're starting to brown up a little. More brown than they were. Okay, I'll just shush them around. Put my gloves back on because we'll be popping them back in for another 3 minutes. Okay, so I actually only put it in for another minute because they are starting to snap, crackle, and pop. So I think it's time for them to come out of the oven. Let's turn that sucker off. Let them cool. You guys can probably maybe hear them sizzling, but that's my masterpiece. I didn't burn them this year, so that's good. My recipe will be down in the description if you didn't catch it all. So yeah, a pumpkin never really goes to waste because you can like carve it for Halloween, and then after Halloween's done, if you haven't carved it and already gutted it, you could take the seeds and make food with it. Like, I'm actually gonna grab one. Ha! Oh yeah, they're done. And if you want, take your salt and just sprinkle them over a little bit. So, just do that. So I just sprinkled some salt over them just to give them that little extra taste. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry Rachel wasn't here this episode, but she's busy. So it's just me. All alone. Making food that I probably won't eat all of. But you know, I had a pumpkin. So why waste the insides, right? Alright guys. I don't have anybody to push. Bye.